Did you know there's a quick way to remove chicken feathers without plucking them one by one?
Hey buddy, this is your time to do something good. If you like and subscribe to my channel, I truly appreciate you as a wise viewer. Share this knowledge, and as a friend, I'd love to hear from you. Drop any comment you want down below.
The secret is pine oil. Many chicken sellers have been using this trick. Normally, people pluck feathers by hand or dip the chicken in hot water, but this can damage the skin. With pine oil, it's much easier. Just mix pine oil with hot water and dip the chicken in. The feathers will fall off on their own without harming the skin. It's faster, cleaner, and super easy. So if you see a perfectly clean chicken, this might be the secret.